Shalom, all my brother and sister in Christ. This is the third time, I'm making this video. I got two times interruptions, I think the devil do not want you to know what's going on with this, especially the war, with Russia. I think what I'm telling you, and I told you already in my other videos that the one fail, I have to do that over again. Because of the interruption from the devil, I think that is true what I'm telling you. That's why. Take the hit. The rapture is very close. Could be by the year 2022. If you pay attention and search my videos for these time frames by the end 2022, and God revealed it to me with the number 222 by the end of this year. Related with this, Russia will attack America. Let me tell you first, okay? The whole thing about this thing, the propaganda war, the fake war, could be some true happened attack there in Ukraine or Russia, something like that. But most of them, they are only pretending on the game. What I heard, many troops, I think from different countries, who join with Ukraine to help Ukraine, they cannot go back to their countries. They came there not just because they think they want to help Ukraine. They get the bribes or the money, promise the money from their government, could be from Ukrainian too. Give a lot of money to come there, but a lot of these people cannot come back home. All right, this is only the trap. This is the part of the world great global reset too, to reduce the population. All right, first of all, not just about between Russia and America. Also, Russia threatened United Kingdom. They want to attack UK. All right, you see this video. I mean the picture of this, and also I'm telling you okay. Before I started this video, all these world leader like Putin, Zelensky, Ukrainian president, Joe Biden, United States president, even previous President Trump, and Justin Trudeau, Canadian Prime Minister, and also even Macron, French president, and what's his name, Emmanuel Macron, and all of them, most all of them in Western countries, even including China, North Korea, South Korea, they're all controlled by this evil, wicked, satanist globalists, the higher, not just from higher ranking one, and the lower one, or anything, anybody, the one who involved with these people, satanist globalists. They are all the puppets of satanist globalists, this world leader, nothing else, even including Putin. All right, Zelensky, they're just pretending become enemy because who to make all this show, all from satanist globalists. Okay, about this war only propaganda. It's not the real thing. If the real, just to make like small war, what happened to give the fear tactic to the Ukrainian population there too. All right, the one who started not just from Russia themselves, from satanist globalists who give the order to Russia to make that happen. I suspect, Putin right now is not the real Putin. The real Putin already go away, already was assassinated by satanist globalists. More likely, if this true, he's not the real Putin. Do not underside Putin, Zelensky. No, they're all these people evil. They're all on it with satanist globalists. Because this is part of great global reset. Not just about this pandemic with bioweapon or venom bite. This is all happen the same time. Not just about the reducing or destroying the food supplies, oil supply, the what is it? Not allow gas come to the Europe, yeah, from I think what country, Ukraine or what, I forget, yeah. So make the gas price is expensive here too in United States, yeah, the gasoline and then the other natural gas. So everything is have connection. Alright, first of all, I would like to tell you, yeah, don't trust this wicked government. They're all evil. Bible very clear says, do not trust the prince or the people who have a high, position or very wealthy. If you trust man, yeah, you are a curse, according to the Bible. Bible also teaching them about the wicked leader is from the beast itself, from Satan. From the beast in the fourth beast in the Daniel 7, the fourth beast is the beast in the Revelation 13 and Revelation 17, who have the 7 heads. 7 head is the false religion. Okay, from the 7 heads has the 10 horn. The 10 horn on the top 10 horn is the crowns. The crowns is the position of the world wicked leader. From among the horns, the 10th horn is the come on the small horns. This Antichrist himself, like it says in Revelation, Daniel 7 and 8. Sorry, this is just too many people. Sometimes people send a sad book, request in Facebook. They just do not want to listen God's word on end time prophecy. Sometimes I just ignore them. Yeah. If the one really serious, I'll be friend with them. So okay, I mentioned about that Facebook. It's not as big deal, yeah, to spread to one people because most people there, yeah, not pay attention. I'm more pay attention what I've told them about the end times warning. I'm more pay attention to people in YouTube. I think more serious, and the people in my Brighteon and BitChute channel more pay attention what I post there rather than people in the Facebook. So I'm telling you again, yeah, don't trust this wicked government. This is part of the peace system coming up during 7 years tribulation, because they are all these wicked leaders, yeah, among these 10 wicked leaders, yeah, is the 10 horns with the 10 crowns. Among the 10 crowns will appear the small horn. Small horn is the Antichrist himself, according to Daniel 7 and 8. Something about Russia again, yeah. Russia, I heard the news like that. They think Russia will attack America on May 9, Monday, and make accuse Putin not appear in the public because he has the surgery, cancer surgery. Do not tell what kind of cancer. I don't think this happen next week. I explain you later why, the reason. Okay. That also on May 9 is the Russian national holiday. It is the victory holiday. It will happen Russia attack America? I don't think so. This is just deception, distraction to the end time watchman on the wall, and also the people who pay attention about this thing, yeah, who pay attention to the alternative media to get deceived from Satanist globalists. I don't think happen anything. It will happen another time. They will not tell us when the Russia will attack America. Russia is attack America just the order from Satanist globalists. Alright, not happen anything. Putin, they can say Putin have a dementia, Parkinson disease, even the cancer. I don't think Putin have dementia and Parkinson disease. I'm not sure about the cancer. I don't think they make accuse, Putin not show up in the public because have the surgery. Okay, no. Maybe have the cancer, maybe not. So we cannot trust mainstream media say. Alright, just bring the confusion to the people, to the end time watchman on the wall. So talking about this, I don't think happen anything on May 9. The other thing, why mainstream media tell about Putin having dementia and Parkinson disease and cancer, but do not tell Joe Biden and Crook Hillary Clinton have the dementia and Parkinson disease. If you pay attention during this season time for presidential election in America in the year 2016, once Hillary Clinton visited the memorial service in New York for the September 11 attacks memorial service. On that day, she got unconscious, is very sick. She cannot wake up. She's very sick. And the bodyguard trying to hide her. In reality, people saw. She's fell down, on the ground. She's very sick. Something wrong with her. And then at the time she wore glasses. This is not regular sunglasses. This is the glasses special for people who have the Parkinson disease, because the color is different, purplish, and special for Parkinson disease person. All right. And within 2 hours later, after that, another woman, Hillary Clinton body double, show up, who greet a little girl. But she's not a real Hillary Clinton. Hillary Clinton in the emergency room bed at the time, yeah. Because of her illness, she wore also that glasses for Parkinson disease, because she's pretending to be Hillary Clinton. I think she's little bit taller and more slender than Hillary Clinton, more slim. I think she's just her body double. And talking about the creepy Joe Biden, he make a lot of mistake, make a fully stupid thing in front of the public. Okay, he's forget a lot. Very obvious he have dementia. All right, this person. So both Hillary Clinton and Joe Biden never in the news talking about their health problem. They want to hide it. This is just the puppets of New World Order, okay? Satanist globalism new puppet. Of course they do not tell. They have dementia and Parkinson disease. Why tell about Putin? So, again about Putin, you see? They're all on in the same thing. Putin and Klaus Schwab is the family of Rothschild, okay, the bankers, Rockefeller, the pharmacists, who own a lot of pharmaceutical company, who have connection to produce a lot of this bioweapon, Penambide. So Ukraine, Zelensky with Klaus Schwab, creepy Joe Biden with Klaus Schwab, Justin Trudeau with Klaus Schwab, Trump with Klaus Schwab, all this on it. You pay attention to the World Economic Forum, have the symbol like this O, letter O, like 6666. And another thing, all right? So, but the other news, that Putin threatened, if America do not make the move. Okay, before I'm telling you, I think Putin already threatened the countries who interfere his occupation, Russia invading Ukraine. If the countries interfere Russia, he going to make the move, will attack the countries like America, Europe, stuff like that. Western Europe, he make the threat like that. But I think just, not just from Putin himself, from Satanist globalists who make Putin do act like that. All right, remember that during presidential election in around that November 2016, America blamed Russia who interfered the election. So Hillary Clinton lost it, and Trump who won it. No, this is just the game. Their game. They lie. It doesn't make any sense either. Okay, Hillary Clinton already makes several her comments, want to make war with Russia. Some people said, if Hillary Clinton was the president, already war with Russia. Who cares? It doesn't matter who the president, because all these wicked leaders, the president, were were selected by Satanist globalists, this elite. They're not elected by Americans. I'm not sure about the very first president, George Washington. Could be a real thing. The people who involved in the parliament, people who elected him. But after that, could be the one who was assassinated, like Abraham Lincoln, and John Kennedy, not selected by Satanist globalists, elected by American. Maybe not. They were selected. Could be behind the closed door. They do not obey. Well, like Abraham Clinton and John Kennedy do not obey the order from these elites. That's why they assassinate them. You pay attention. I got a dream. Okay, not too long ago, about the John F. Kennedy, the one was assassinated and was get shot. It's not by crazy people, including Abraham Lincoln. Who killed them, who assassinated them? The people from Satanist globalists who do not want them around again anymore as president. Because in the dream, when that shooting happened, the wife of that John F. Kennedy at that time, Jackie Kennedy, make the gesture, the hands moving gesture like between the finger of a middle finger and the point finger, like letter V. A lot of people think like letter V, victory. In the reality, this symbol is not about the victory. It's about the devil horns, the allegiance to the Satan himself from this Illuminati's Freemasonry people. So she's involved. She's one of those also involved with Freemasonry, Illuminati too. Because I don't know why I have the dream like that. God revealed it to me. They're talking about the Jackie Kennedy. After Kennedy's passed away, several years later, I think she got married to someone else, the very wealthy person who owned a yacht or something like that. His name Onassis, I think from Italy, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. But so from Asi, Jackie Kennedy is not the good person. She's involved with Satanist globalists. But I heard that, I don't know, I think I heard from someone's video, tell about when that shooting happened, Jackie Kennedy allowed that happen. Maybe give the sign, before the shooter shoot John Kennedy. Who knows? Because I have the dream recently. I do not think about John Kennedy. I saw Jackie Kennedy make the gesture symbol, it's like horn, satanic horn, with her both her fingers, the point finger and the middle finger. All right. So talking about another thing, other than the one next week, May 9. All the news possibly Russia will attack America. And the other thing, if America do not attack Russia, okay, by July or August, Russia will attack America first, like power grid off or cyber attack, something like that. And then, because of that, United Nations, with a World Health Organization, something like that, will make the move. After America declare martial law, after get attack from Russia, something like power grid off. After get attack from Russia and America declare martial law, and then let United Nations use their troops, so foreigner troops, like from Russia, China, come to America, invade America, and they will come door to door to force American people to take bioweapon. That's what I heard. So after the Russia attack America, Because America do not want to attack Russia first by July or August. Is that true? I don't think it's true. This is kind of like a rumor. Sometimes the rumor like that come from another source. The source is come from the Satanist globalists themselves, who want to bring division among American themselves, American people, or the other people all over the world too, or among Christians themselves. All right. I don't think by July and August happen anything either. Not by next week, May 9, not by July or August. Like I explained you earlier. This what happened is war in Ukraine. This is only propaganda war, pretending war, with many crisis actors and actresses. Could be some the part the country you there in Ukraine, there little bit small war or like a persecution in the Ukrainian people themselves, because not from Russia themselves, from Satanist globalists who give the order to Russia to do it. Like I explained you already the picture, how they work together, with Satanist globalists, this including Klaus Schwab from Rockefeller family. Alright, Klaus Schwab is in fact the Rockefeller himself, because his mother is one of the Rockefeller. So they all work together, pretending. Okay, what I heard also, Putin now is not the real Putin. I don't know true or not, because the true Putin in the past looked like have more slender face, or could be he's gained weight now, but I don't think he's much more skinny than compared now. Yeah, he could be he was assassinated and replaced with other true Putin who want to compromise with Satanist globalists. The person already get groomed by Satanist globalists. Anyway, about this Russia thing, I don't believe Russia by itself. I think the order come from Satanist globalists to make move like that. And Ukraine too pretending become a good guy. In the reality, that Satanist, the president from Ukraine, is Satanist globalist puppet too. Not just the one in America. All of them. All on it. Not just that. Including Trump. Including Elon Musk. Just the distraction. Okay? From Satanist globalists. From the actually what going on there. Alright? In the reality, Elon Musk not just by himself creating that kind of chip or technology. Much more than himself. I don't think he can create by himself. He's just pretending. People appear in the news. I don't believe so. People appear to make that kind of stuff have to be several people involved behind the scene. Alright? Talking about that nuclear weapon, why in the recent year we hear Russia have more advanced, better technology, better, more powerful nuclear weapon than America? Because in the reality, not Russia alone. They make the news to make appear or make accuse in the future in case Russia attack America. So America lost it because don't have enough nuclear weapon or not as good like Russia. The reason they just make the news like that, okay? In the reality, could be America themselves have the advanced technology like this nuclear weapon. Okay, they just do not tell us. Okay, not just Russia, they work together. Not just China make all this nuclear weapon to help this North Korea, but our North Korea just launching shoot another rocket or nuclear stuff to make the new one, to experiment about that. Not just about them. I bet America the biggest countries. In the world, more advanced, not biggest country in the world, I'm talking about more population than Russia. I'm sure America have that powerful nuclear weapon too. They just, this news like that what we hear is not seems like we hear to be. They're not all true, okay? So, I think would be America has that too, with Satanist globalists who own it, who control it. Russia just part of play the game with them, okay? They're all on it the same time. This when they do attack, their nuclear attack, stuff like that come to America, not from Russia alone. Come from the Satanist globalists, from inside job, government himself. Just like what happened with September 11 attack, from inside job, not from the enemy. It's not from the Islamic terrorist attack itself, from wicked government itself, from Satanist globalists who do that. Same thing, that nuclear attack happened to America from inside job. I don't believe from Russia. Could be Russia just following the order from the Satanist globalists to attack America. Okay? So when do you think? When do I think this happened? Russia attack America. This is what I see. According to many end times and dreams and visions, something happened to America. Bad thing happened, like nuke attack, when Obama already on the scene, back to the office. Okay, the dreams and vision mention Obama during the Thanksgiving. He's look evil with Michelle Obama not sure. You know, you heard also but Michelle Obama is not the real woman. She's a man, something like that people say. But something happened like that. And related with that, there are another dreams and vision, telling about what happened with during the Thanksgiving, Thanksgiving is canceled. Okay? No Thanksgiving. This is what happened. Thanksgiving is canceled in America because the attack on America could be from Russia. Okay? Mourning, American people mourning. That's why because Thanksgiving is canceled. So what I see, put conclusion together from the dreams and vision that God revealed to us several years ago. This still valid, these dreams and vision. All right, that could be the attack on America from Russia and inside job, the deep state with Satanist globalists, around that November, Thanksgiving time, or during Thanksgiving season. Could be this year, all right? It's not next week. It's not around July or August. Then America should make move before Russia attack America. No. Could be this year. The latest by next year. But I think more likely this year. Before the rapture of the church take place. By Christmas or during Hanukkah festival 2022. Already make a lot of videos to show you why the reason. And with biblical evidence and the history too. I show you already. Alright, you can search yourself. And also the last time I make video about the related this rapture time frames with the number 2222. Okay, I just made this video several days ago. Okay, I made this video connection this video 2222. I saw the number 222 on the clock on my computer desk on February 2nd, 2022. I do not think about that at all. That's why I make this video. Okay, then I show you here because I saw on my computer desk. This is could be God spoke to me about the number 222 and what will happen in the year 2022 because I saw the computer desk. But after that, 20 days later, there are people post a lot of stuff with number 222, But then on February 22nd, not February 2nd, when I saw the number 222 without the clock on my computer desk, the number 222 with on February 22nd, the year 2022. So 2222 2022. And last week, okay, that's why I make this video. Hold on. Last week, I make this video. Alright, again with more confirmation, the rapture time frame with the number 2222. This one, okay, what I saw On my Facebook, my old post on January 2nd. January 22nd, 2022. January 22nd. In this post, I mentioned about Christmas because I wish Merry Christmas to people, my Facebook friends. Because during Christmas, I cannot wish Merry Christmas. I got a Facebook jail because, the censorship is so rampant in this social media, including YouTube too. We have to be careful what we post. Because, who control all this media, all this platform from Satanist globalists. Even the alternative platform, the one I use, like BitChute and Breton, I wonder, they don't control too. They want to gather people's information who rebel against government, who not. I wonder about that. So, this video, the one I posted, on, I think, April 19 or something. Have to check again, So, this talking about, what I saw in the Facebook, my post, because someone commented after that, that's why I pay attention. On January 22nd, I mentioned about Christmas time, okay, on that post, and also when I was out from his Facebook jail, on January 22nd, alright, again with number 22. On the same day, when I was searching video on my BitChute channel, talking about I want to set my own videos. That one already posted 2-3 weeks ago, that videos. In that video, the title I mentioned about something happened with people who took bioweapon, by the year 2022, the end the year 2022, again with 2022, the end the year 2022, and the view 222. But when I'm making the video, when I was making this video, when I saw again that video, the view already more than 2222, already 230 something. So I cannot prove you, but I know I saw that. I wish I photo screen it. But I saw again the number 222 with that title video by the end 2022 with the view 222. I think that's significant. By the end the year 2022, something happened. Like I explained you earlier, could be Russia with or inside job from deep state will attack the country itself in America by during that Thanksgiving time, when the people too busy for the holidays, or people who too preoccupied during that presidential election. I mean midterm election. It's not presidential election, only the midterm election this year in 2022 in November 2022, midterm election, when people busy with all that stuff and the holidays, and then that happened. They attack inside job and Russia to America during the Thanksgiving time in 2022. People pay attention. That's why I connect the dot. Could be a month after that Thanksgiving cancel and this year, and then the rapture could be take place during Christmas and Hanukkah season. Because Hanukkah season festival this year just right around close to Christmas holiday. I think I make the video about that before, I mentioned this. Hold on, let me, is that this video or the other video? Yeah, here I go. Okay. Yeah, the Hanukkah Christmas rapture 2022 and 7 years tribulation start 2023. Because Hanukkah this year just right around close to Christmas. Hanukkah lasts for 8 days. I think from December 14 to December, if 8 days, 22nd. I think at the end that Hanukkah this year, I think until December 26. If 8 days, December 18. I'm pretty sure. I have to check again. I know I explained you the exactly date in my other video. If from December 18 to December 26, December 25th, Christmas season. So what I see, the connection with the Thanksgiving holiday, what God revealed in many dreams and visions, something happened. During Christmas and during the Thanksgiving season holiday in America, the Thanksgiving holiday is cancelled. It's cancelled. Why? Because many Americans get, attacked from this inside job. What happened with Russia? This is what I see. Okay, not just what happening in recently. Many people died from this bioweapon. Just mainstream media do not tell us. Okay, we can hear from alternative media. But keep in mind, not even though there are some of these people working for this Satanist globalists, the people who make the news in the alternative media, many of those, even the doctors. Alright? I make all of this video to expose this more in BCU and Brighteon. So you guys, the one from YouTube, you want to see more about this stuff, visit my other platform, Brighteon and BitU. Alright? This is how I have connection together all together. Nothing happened in May or next week. Nothing happened in June and July with Russia to America. I suspect during that Thanksgiving season. Alright? According to many end times and dreams and vision I explained you earlier. Alright? Thanksgiving will be cancelled because the inside job or they make choose Russia attack America. Something bad happened to America. Devastated the American people themselves. Could be this year, who knows? And this a month later could be rapture take place. Okay? With this Hanukkah and Christmas season and the year 2022, what God revealed it to me already about the video I wanna show you. When I make this video, okay, the next day after I make this video, I saw again the number 222. I think on my phone clock, my iPhone clock, and the other on my iPad or my stove clock in my kitchen, either one, I forget. I know one of them I saw 222 clock time on my iPhone. And then the next day could be on the clock on my stove kitchen or on my iPad, I forget which one. And then the next day after make video, the third day after make this video, I saw number 222 again on the view of the video, somebody else videos, I think in the YouTube or I forget no, or Brighteon, either one, 2222. And yesterday I saw again in another video, someone else video with the view 222 again. I do not write on, so I forget about that. From which video, from what platform, I know I saw the number 222 again. So for 3 days in a row, I saw 222 again. But I do not see 222 today. I saw the number 1111 on my stove, the clock on my stove, in the kitchen. You see? So people have to pay attention, Alright? Jesus coming soon. You can tell you do not know the day and the hour when Son is coming. Okay? We know the season and the time. But the thing I explained you already, we do not know the day and the hour, exactly the day and hour. Therefore, when the heaven and the earth, the new heaven and the earth will pass away after Jesus Christ. The millennial kingdom with Jesus Christ is over. After 1,000 years is over. Okay, and new heaven and the earth will pass away. After that, another period. But the Bible do not mention about that. This is what I see. Because according to Matthew 24, verse 35, it says like that. It's not talking about the rapture, it's not talking about 7 years tribulation. Time frame, we do not know the day and the hours. That's what I was talking about. Okay? When the heaven
and new heaven and new earth shall pass away after the millennial kingdom with Jesus Christ is over, is done with that. This is what I see. It's not about, because if say like that, no one knows the day and the hour except God the Father only. This is against what this is contradict with God already revealed to many Christian and Christian when the rapture time frames during Christmas and Hanukkah feast, and also he give the clue what happening in this world in these end times, because to make us ready. He told Noah 7 days before the flood will come the flood. That day, he the one who shut the earth's door. So the same thing with the rapture. He told us already. He told us. You the one who pay attention when the rapture happened, because this contradicted what God want to tell us. All right, rapture very close. Okay, and the inside job, wherever the attack about the Russia, I don't think in May or August or July or August. Pay attention during that holiday season, like Thanksgiving first, and then during Christmas season. All right.